Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Amoron 3G 4G LTE security camera for outdoor, and on top it's solar powered with SIM card. We have 2K camera, surveillance, baby, battery operated without WLAN, without Wi-Fi, with a motion detection, with a color and IR night vision, two-way audio, and IP66 waterproof level. It's available on the market in wildlife, so that means there's a camouflage, or black. This outdoor surveillance camera works completely without Wi-Fi, perfect for places without internet access. With the included 300 megabyte SIM card, which is already installed, we can start nearly immediately. We can also replace it to our own SIM card. You will need a nano SIM, and that should be compatible with cards from Telecom, Vodafone, O2, and more. And it should be a nano SIM card. And you need a data traffic contract. Then, no cables, no sockets, no stress. With the integrated 6-watt solar panel and the 14,400 milliampere hour battery, that's a big battery, the camera runs day and night because it's solar powered for all-round security. And experience the clear 2K recording, even at the night time, with two night vision modes, color spotlight and IR LED, and a 355 degrees swivel and a 100 degrees tilt angle. We won't miss any detail. The intelligent PIR sensor accurately detects the people and animals and warns us immediately with a smartphone notification. With two-way audio, we can even talk directly to visitors or intruders. The IP66 waterproof and the extremely resistant is proved against weather, heat, or cold weather. The security camera with SIM card can withstand nearly all weather conditions out there. It is either for remote places, construction sites, farms, or holiday homes without WLAN or power connection. With the Aroma 4G LTE outdoor surveillance camera, we are always on the safe side, on the right side of the surveillance. No, baby, Wi-Fi is needed. No, wires are needed. We have a high-quality security monitoring product here because this Amoron and easy to pair, as you can see. Insert the nano SIM into the system camera. Then download the app. Start the app and go and pair it by scanning the QR code on the camera system. And after this, we have an 4G LTE signal, a rechargeable solar-powered battery, AI motion detection, color night vision, pan and tiltable, 2K images, two-way audio, siren, and the headlight. And all of that is IP66 waterproof. So that's a cool thing because it is good for homeowners, landlords who want to protect their property without the cost of a traditional, expensive system, farmers and ranchers who need to monitor remote areas, the construction professionals who secure construction sites around the clock, and adventurers who live away from the power grid and want the violence and remote hunts or holiday resorts. That's why we choose a Amoron 4G surveillance camera. That's suited for all of us. We will need the U-Books app to download it out of the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, of course. The Amoron 4G auto surveillance camera, solar powered, uses a sensitive PIR motion sensor with a breadth of AI analytics technology to reliably detect all human movement and send us a notification as soon as possible. We can adjust the sensitivity of the feature in the app and reduce false alerts, of course. And more, we have a Sirene alert, LED light, and. Two-way audio. We can plan working hours. We can have an IP60 waterproof level. 2 storage option. Up to microSD card 128GB or cloud storage. We have the simultaneously online display. We have a flexible SIM card option. And, oh yeah, no Wi-Fi is required. No cable is required. The only thing is we will need the sand to power up the battery. We insert the SIM card and turn on the camera. We wait to the status light to turn it blue. Then we step into the app and scan the QR code on the device. Job's done. Pairing is done, and we can start with the surveillance job. That's all possible with that really cool device. That it is the Amoron 3G and 4G LTE security camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.